Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the Crypto.com proposal for the Crow coin burn that the Crow fam has been proposing to Crypto.com, Chris Marzielak, as well as Cronos Labs. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the Crow coin price. We're also going to take a look at the Bitcoin price and the overall market cap as a whole. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are on day 13 of proposing to Crypto.com to market, buy back, and burn Crow coin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Cronos needs this. Crow fam needs this. We can do this. Fortune favors the brave. Guys, go follow me, 333 Blacksea on Twitter. I'm going to push this message across for the Crow fam. We are going to make this happen because honestly, this is a win-win for everybody. Even for Cronos Labs, even for Crypto.com, even if it means burning some of their profits in Crowcoin, because it's going to drive speculation to the Cronos ecosystem, thus more total value locked up, and Crypto.com is going to make more money. We're going to make more money. It's a win-win for everybody. But get this message out there, guys. I am not going to stop. I also want to say that last night I did say if we cannot get the Crowcoin burn proposal conversation started, Crow fam, I will take matters into my own hands. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Not in a devious way, but I do have some ideas to do my part here, and we'll stay tuned for that because I've got some interesting ideas up my sleeve. So first things first, let's take a look over at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading above $58,000, guys. That's good news. I'm going to show you some very key price levels over on Bitcoin that we need to be paying very, very close attention to because this could mean that we're going to be headed to the upside. Some hopium for the bulls. But if we get rejected, probably going to be still what we've been calling for, a longer sideways price action and maybe even to the downside just a little bit, just some more chop. But Bitcoin dominance trading at 53.52%. When you exclude stablecoins, basically 55.5%. We did come up about 0.20%, which is funny because rewind about 4 months ago, that would be nothing of a movement for Bitcoin dominance, but that's actually quite substantial right now. Things are slowing down. Things are chopping around. I do think that Bitcoin dominance is topped out for now until we see Bitcoin make that next impulse wave to the upside or to the downside. So we're going to have to keep a very close eye on that. Ethereum above 3,100, I like to see that. But let's take a look over at Crowcoin because Crowcoin has bounced very, very nicely off of this level here at 0.0830 cents. And I've been saying, guys, this yellow line right here is very important. It's very, very important. We want to hold above it. And we're seeing that. We're seeing some curvature. And honestly, as long as Bitcoin decides to play nice, we're probably going to be headed towards this blue line right here and test it as resistance. Hopefully we can test it, resume off, and resume through. Retest, resumption, something similar like that. That's what we want to see, break above that 10-cent price level. Get us back in the game, get us back in this altcoin season, this altcoin bull market, and see Crowcoin make some big moves to the upside. Now, where's Bitcoin? Oh, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. We are trading below $58,724 on the weekly. That being said, like I said, we are sitting at $58,200. We are very, very close to closing above this key support, turning this entire weekly move into, yes, a bear trap. We've been talking about that on the Crypto Report. I posted that over on Instagram semi-recently. If you want to follow me, 333 Blacksea. Right here, this is a very high likelihood of something like this playing out, especially if we see this closure above the $58,700 price level. That being said, we still have 2 days and 8 hours for that to happen. That's a significant amount of time, and especially weekend price action usually it's pretty shaky. Either it's not much or there's a very decisive move that happens that catches a lot of people off guard, and then it usually gets wiped out. Just keep that in mind. But that being said, there's a good chance here that we can close above this important price level of 58,500, 58,700 around there. And if we do, the next spot, guys, is going to be keeping our eyes on $60,000 Bitcoin. If we break above 60,000 on the weekly, close above 60,000 on the weekly, I'm going to say, okay, we're probably headed back to the top of this channel at about $72,000, which will be very, very exciting for a lot of people. That being said, do I think that it will be the next move to set us up for all-time highs? It's possible. It's possible, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. We need to see a few things happen for the bulls before I start saying, okay, it's time to make new all-time highs. We need to see a couple more things happening. Like I said, weekly candle closure above 58,700. Next stop, need to see continuation. Weekly closure above 60,000. And then after that, if we can come up to that 72,000, then I'm going to say, okay, we're going to re-look at everything, look at the fundamentals, look at the technicals, and say, okay, maybe now is a good time to break out. What time of the month is it? What month is it? We're going to have to see, because it may be August by the time that we make ourselves up to the top of this channel of 72,000. Which will change some things, so we need to keep that in mind. I do want to say back on Instagram, if you follow me, 333 Blacksea, I'm giving away $1,000 if I can reach 500 followers by Sunday. In the next 2 days, guys, I'm going to give away $1,000 worth of Crocoin, so go follow me there. But that's all I really got, guys. I got some awesome referral links down below, a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, $4,100 sign-in bonus to Femex, as well as some other great links down below. All you got to do is deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Be patient, Crow fam. You know, this proposal is not going to be, I did not expect the first day I made this proposal for it to reach the table of Crypto.com and Chris Marszalek. But that being said, I'm not going to stop. I have some things up my sleeve to do my part in this Crocoin burn, which we'll talk about very, very shortly. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.